Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. There was once a blind man who, merely by placing his hands upon an animal, could determine to what species it belonged. To test him, one day they brought him a wolf's whelp. Long and carefully he felt the beast all over. Then, still being in doubt, he said, I know not whether thy father was a dog or a wolf, but this I do know, that I would not trust thee among a flock of sheep. The name of the story, The Blind Man and the Wolf. The moral, the child is father to the man. The second story. For a long time the hares had believed themselves the most persecuted of all animals. Everyone was their enemy, they said. One day, when the prospect looked especially dark, they came to the sad resolution that there was nothing left for them but to make away with themselves one and all. So off they ran to a nearby lake, determined to throw themselves into the water to be drowned. But at their approach, a school of frogs seated on the shore took fright and dived into the water. Hold up, cried the hare who was in the lead. Let us not be too hasty. Surely our case is not so desperate yet. For here are other poor creatures even more faint-hearted than ourselves. The name of the story, The Hares and the Frogs. The moral, there is always someone worse off than yourself.